With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so today's question is 1.60 gram of a metal A and 0.96 gram of metal B when treated with excess of dilute acid separately produce the same amount of hydrogen. Calculate the equivalent weight of A if the equivalent weight of B is 12. So first we write the reaction. We have A plus H plus produces H2 gas. After that we have B, again it reacts with H plus and produces H2. Now we will write let X grams of hydrogen be produced. So now we have to write the equivalents. So what is equivalent? Equivalent is equal to moles into n factor. So we have got X grams of hydrogen, X upon 2 into the n factor. So right now oxidation state is 0. So it is going from 0 to plus 1. That is increase of 1 into number of H atoms is 2. So this is 2. Again we will write the same thing over here, X upon 2 into 2. So now we need to use law of equivalence. So what does this state? This states equivalence of A is equal to equivalence of H plus, which is equal to equivalence of H2. So we'll use the same thing over here. We have got 1.60 gram of A. Let molecular weight of A be A into n factor of A. Then we have got 0.96 upon B into n factor of B. So we'll use the same thing. So 1.60 upon A into n factor of A is equal to X. Then using equivalence of B is equal to equivalence of H2, we have got 0.96 upon B into n factor of B is equal to X. Now n factor of A, n factor of B, A and B are 4 variables. So we need something to join them. So now we have been given equivalent weight of B is equal to 12. So now we need to know one more formula. Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight upon n factor. So 12 is equal to B upon n factor of B. So we get B is equal to 12 n factor of B. So this is one formula. So we'll put this in this equation. So we get 0.96 upon B. B will write as 12 into n factor of B into n factor of B is equal to X. This gets cancelled. We will write this as 96 upon 100 into 12, which is equal to X. So 12 8 is 96, so X is equal to 8 upon 100 grams. Then we will use the same thing in this formula over here. So we have got 1.60 upon A into n factor of A is equal to X. So X is 8 upon 100. So we'll cut this. We get 1 upon 100 over here. 100 gets cancelled. 8, 20. So 20 n factor of A is equal to capital A. So 20 is equal to A upon n factor of A. So now what was equivalent weight? Equivalent weight was molecular weight upon n factor. So this is molecular weight upon n factor. So the answer is 20. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.